Hello, this is Carl again, and I'm working on my 68 Bronco. As you can see, the windshield was broken in a couple of different places there. And so I was going to take it out. My seal has only been used for this windshield. It was new when I put this windshield in. So there's no cracking in the corners like, well, maybe I'm wrong. So if it's cracked, you can just cut the backing off and just pop the whole thing out. These seals are about 50 or 60 bucks, I believe. So anyway, well, this is how you do it if your seal is in good shape and you want to hold on to it and reuse it. So I just put in a couple of blocks of wood, and you can see my clamps there, and I put a 2x across the windshield to make more of an even pressure all the way across. And then you just clamp it down and go around the inside, pry on the rubber underneath there, and down the sides at least. Make sure it's kind of broken loose. Just put some steady pressure on it, and you can see that it's popped out. The seal is going inside and coming out from the inside. And I think that's going to get it out in one piece without breaking, even though the windshield was already cracked. So in a couple places, and it's not good. So that's one way to get that windshield out. Thank you for watching.